Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to erase games on your PlayStation 4. To quickly delete a game, first, navigate to your game library from the home screen. Highlight the game you wish to remove, then press the Options button on your controller. From the menu that appears, simply select Delete and confirm your decision. This action will free up valuable storage space on your console in just a few moments. Another effective way to manage your game storage is through the system settings. Go to Settings from your PlayStation 4 dashboard, then select System Storage Management. Choose Applications to see all your installed games. Highlight the game you want to remove, press the Options button, and select Delete. This method is particularly useful if you need to delete several games at once, giving you precise control over your console's storage. When you delete a game, it's important to understand what data is actually removed. Deleting a game primarily removes its core installation files, which can be many dozens of gigabytes. However, your saved game data is usually stored separately and remains on your console. If you wish to remove saved data, you'll need to do so manually from the Save Data in System Storage menu. Your digital game licenses stay linked to your PlayStation Network account. Don't worry, reinstalling a deleted game is straightforward. For digital titles, simply find them in your library and download them again. Disk-based games just require you to reinsert the disk. Regularly managing your storage by deleting games you're not currently playing is a great practice. This helps maintain optimal console performance and ensures you always have enough space for new adventures, potentially freeing up over 100 gigabytes of storage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.